This is a really last video. This is a video that you haven't seen on YouTube here, and I'm here bringing it to you guys locally. This is how to harvest cassava directly from your farm. From harvesting your cassava to turning it into fufu, I'm going to take you through the process. So this is us harvesting the cassava directly from the ground. So we're not hiding anything. For those of you that don't know how to harvest cassava, like you want to try out new things, new cultural things, this is a video for you to watch and get this done. So this is how we are harvesting the cassava directly from the farm. So if you're hoping to try new things, this is a video for you. So this is how we're harvesting it directly from the farm. So just cut out all the roots and the stems and all that. So you're going to cut with the cutlass, then you're going to then start bringing them one after the other from the ground. And like it's way easier than I thought. I thought it was very hard. But this is how you leave your cassava. When you plant your cassava, you allow it to stay for 6 months. If you want it to be very matured, 6 to 9 months, you can harvest. And this is it, so big. Like this particular set came out very big. So we went to another section of the land just to harvest other ones. So you're first of all going to clear out all the weeds from the ground, that the weeds that are preventing the cassava. So this is how this one came out, so big. This one is very big, and it's way easier for you to harvest your cassava this way. So if you're hoping to try and learn how to harvest a cassava, this is a video for you. So I just went ahead to video the wildlife. Like, I just love how natural village life is, like everything, the breeze and all. So this is the cassava. Finally, this is the cassava that we harvested at the end of everything. So we're cooking the fufu already. After peeling the cassava, we have set it, filtered and all that. So this is the process of peeling the cassava. This is the process of peeling cassava. This is the ones that we have peeled, and then this is another one. So if you want to learn how to peel cassava, this is the video for you also. So all you have to do is just use your knife, open it up, peel off all the shells, like all the body or what, peel it off, and then it will come out white. It is white tasting, that is the white fruit that you're going to then soak in. When it has melted, you just filter it. Yes, this is the process of doing it, and it's way easier. So another video, I'm going to make a detailed video on how you can soak the cassava, filter. Then I have a video whereby I will fry the garri, so you can check up on my channel on video of that, and it's way easier. You're going to find it very interesting. So this is how to peel the cassava. After peeling, we're going to go over to cooking. So this is the process of cooking the cassava. This one is fufu. We call it fufu, 6 to 6, whatever you want to call it. I like it yummy, but though I don't eat it, I eat only curry. That is about the one I posted of recent. So this process of you pounding, when you're cooking it on the fire, you bring it out, you pound. After pounding, you mold it, and then it's ready for eating. You can use this to swallow our popular soups like egusi soup, obolo soup, banga soup. This is a local Nigeria dish. Yes, every part of Nigeria actually eats this fufu. It's not barely, but the East eats this fufu more, but it is meant every part of Nigeria is this fufu. Yes, so this is the process of making it. After pounding, and you see that it's ready, smooth, so you can then use it to swallow your popular Nigeria soups. Yes, and this is the way, very easy. But you see that this pounding is actually not easy, because you're using your strength and everything. So fire and fat is not easy. Anything that you use to look for money is not easy. So after pounding, we are going to go over to mold. You see that you just touch it to see. My mom is just touching it to see that it is very smooth and ready, and it's very easy to eat. Like, it's not strong, it's just normal. Okay, so after that, this is the process of molding the fufu. So after molding, you see, we just take this and measure it, because we're going to be selling it. So you measure it to the quantity. They are the ones that we sell for 200 naira Nigeria currency, then 100 naira Nigeria currency. So it's the process of getting it ready. After molding, then we're going to put it in the nylon. After putting it in the nylon, there you see that this one is actually sold for 200 naira. I don't know if it's actually big. don't know. But if you are coming across this video, thank you so much for watching this video. This is a popular Nigerian food. So if you're interested, like when you come over to Nigeria, wherever you come for explore, you came for travel, and you want to try Nigeria dishes, this is a very local Nigeria dish that is so yummy. So you can give it a try. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did to this point, I'll see you on another one. Bye.